A lot of people jumped into the AI boom believing this would finally be their chance to build a real online business. But then, reality hits. We keep paying monthly fees to AI tools. We try every new shiny AI app. We create a few prompts or GPTs, and still end up asking the same question. How do I make real money with AI? The truth is simple. You don't have a platform that you own. So instead of building an asset, you're building someone else's tool. Selling AI shouldn't feel like climbing a wall without a ladder. Most people don't fail because they don't understand AI. They fail because they don't have a system to sell AI. If you want to profit from AI, you only need three things. Number one, products people already want. Number two, a store people trust. Number three, a way to get paid instantly. Then profit becomes a matter of consistent traffic, not complicated tech. And here's the kicker. Most people get stuck on the store part, the platform. Let's be honest. Setting up a store yourself means setting up hosting, installing WordPress, integrating WooCommerce, uploading products, designing pages, writing copy, creating a blog, legal pages, support pages. Hours turn into days. Days turn into forget it. People quit not because their idea is bad, but because the tech becomes the business instead of the business making money. This single step, your store, is where 90% of people give up, and that's exactly the step that has now been fully solved. Introducing AI Store Fortune, a complete AI e-commerce store that comes fully built, with hundreds of custom GPTs and tens of thousands of proven AI prompts already preloaded as products. You install it, you add your payment gateway, and your store is ready to accept money. Instead of spending weeks building infrastructure, you get to focus on the only thing that actually creates revenue: selling products people already want. No design work, no product creation, no shipping, no tech headaches. You're starting where others wish they could get to. Day one, store live, products live. AI Store Fortune isn't just a template. You get a professional digital store with lightning-fast live search, organized product categories, instant downloads, and customer account access built in. You get a done-for-you blog loaded with AI content, so your SEO foundation is strong from the start. You get pre-written copy, legal pages, and marketing assets. Everything built to remove the painful steps that usually kill momentum. This is a real business asset you own completely. Let me show you what this looks like inside, how clean the design is, how fast customers find what they want, and how simple it is to manage.
Hey, it's Don here. Welcome to AI Store Fortune. In this demo video, I'll walk you through my latest product, the Done-For-You AI Store, and how to install it. As you can see, we have a beautiful website here with everything pre-designed and preloaded. Attractive hero section with techie design style, all the banners for each product category. The featured product section, popular categories, the top-rated products. The product page is clean and optimized for user experience and conversion. Everything is designed to eliminate all the hard work on the store owner's end. User flow is designed to be extremely simple. So when I say it's a done-for-you store, I really meant it. This is a website with pre-done copy and graphics. All the products come ready to sell right out of the box. Just install, plug a payment method, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at a store customer's perspective. The site also comes with a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use account system. Customers can view their order and access purchased GPTs easily. They can use the GPTs with a free ChatGPT account and the AI prompts with any platform they prefer. Here's the main shop page with product listings and quick filters. Customers can filter by price range and categories and sort products through multiple options. So let's see how easy it is to install the site. I have a fresh WordPress site here. Let's go to its admin dashboard, go to Plugins, and install the backup plugin. WP Vivid is my preferred plugin, but I provide files for all-in-one WP migration as well. After installing and activating the plugin, we can upload the provided backup file and start installing. After uploading the file, we'll begin restoring the backup. The installation time depends on your hosting's performance, but with my setup, you can install the site on any average hosting in 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation is done, you'll have a fully done store, ready to work right out of the box. This done-for-you AI store is perfect for anyone who wants to finally make money selling GPTs and AI prompts to online and offline businesses, and is great for anyone who's looking to build a high-potential e-commerce business with 99% of the work done for them. I repeat, 99% of the work is done. Just install, plug in any preferred payment method, and this store is ready to run. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.
To help you promote fast, you also get a done-for-you promo video and Canva templates for social media posts. Just plug in your link, publish, and start driving traffic from day one. This isn't about making things effortless. It's about removing the struggles that slow you down. This is not a magic money button, not a get-rich-while-you-sleep scheme, not something that works without effort. This doesn't replace the work. It replaces the struggle. Your job becomes simple. Drive traffic, collect payments, deliver value. That's the kind of momentum that creates real growth. AI is moving fast. Tools come and go. Trends rise and fade. But owning the platform, owning the store, that's leverage. AI Store Fortune gives you the store, the products, and the launch materials, all in one move. Check the link below, see if the launch pricing is still available, and take the first real step into your AI business before someone else does. Start selling AI today. Link below.